What if I told you the biggest obstacle between you and success isn't your lack of money, connections, or even talent, but your own mind? Think about it. Every single day, your thoughts are quietly programming the life you're living, just like software running in the background of your phone. The question is, are you running the right program or one that's holding you back? Most of us grew up with beliefs that were planted in us without our permission. Maybe a teacher said you weren't smart enough. Maybe you saw your parents struggle with money and thought wealth was only for the lucky few. These thoughts become mental apps that keep running even when you're trying to do better. The good news? Just like deleting old apps and updating your system, you can reprogram your mind for success. And when you do, everything changes. Your confidence, your income, your relationships, your future. The first principle is awareness. You can't change what you don't notice. Pay attention to the thoughts that pop up when you're chasing a goal. Do you hear a voice saying, "You're not good enough"? That's an old program, not reality. The most successful people in the world, from athletes to CEOs, aren't free of negative thoughts. They've just trained themselves to catch the lies and replace them with truth. Imagine LeBron James stepping on the court thinking, "I can't shoot today." Ridiculous, right? He reprograms his mind through repetition and focus, and you can too. Second, you need new input. If your environment is full of negativity, you'll stay stuck in negativity. Think of your brain like a playlist. If you keep replaying sad, long-energy songs, your life will reflect that vibe. But when you load your playlist with empowering messages, books, podcasts, uplifting friends, you start moving differently. This is why entrepreneurs binge business books, or why so many people listen to motivational talks during their commute. They're not wasting time, they're rewriting their mental playlist. Third, visualization and action. Success starts in your imagination, but it comes alive through movement. Top athletes in the US use mental rehearsal before games. They see themselves winning before they ever touch the ball. You can do the same. See yourself acing that job interview, paying off debt, or running your own business. Then back it up with small, daily actions. Because a program only runs when you actually click start. Here's how you can start today. Catch one negative thought and write it down. Rewrite it into a positive, believable statement. Surround yourself with one new positive influence this week, maybe a book, a podcast, or even a new circle of people. Take one tiny action that aligns with your new beliefs, send that email, hit the gym, open the savings account. Imagine this. Before, you're stuck in a cycle of self-doubt, hitting snooze on your dreams. After reprogramming your mind, you wake up with clarity. You take action, and doors start opening where they were once locked. Doesn't happen overnight, but it does happen with consistency. And listen, setbacks will come. You'll fall back into old thinking patterns sometimes. That's okay. Success isn't about never failing. It's about recognizing when you've slipped back into the old program and choosing to update again. You're not broken. You're simply upgrading. If this resonated with you, hit that like button, drop a comment about the belief you're letting go of, and subscribe for more daily growth fuel. Remember this, your mind is the most powerful tool you'll ever own. Reprogram it, and you won't just chase success, you'll attract it.